His Britannic Majesty, you say, read on our own.
Might be withdrawn at any time.
You dey hear am? Anytime you misbehave, hey, bring our passport, submit them. You are mad. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way.
Wait. Then they perform. You wait.
Jesus.
Hey, quiet. Hello, continue your performance.
I don't go bar where Akwa Ibom get the serve. I say, waitress, what do you have? She say, we get him INEC. That's Henneke. We get him Budweiser. We get Small Star. We get Leyen. We get Big Star. We get Hero. We get 33. Brother, I get one drink. Where Koro? I say, which drink did I say? We get him Starara.
M.O.P. Slip of Tougue.
Madam, you're just smiling like you're surprised. Like, oh my God, the boy is so handsome. Eh? Yeah. You said what? Fuck you. Okay, if you say be better, I go insult you. If you talk to me, I go talk to you back. I be like that very dark man. Or you curse me, I curse you. The way they affect me, I say they affect me. Oh. Let me come back to you. What's up? How you doing? Sorry. Fuck shit, man. About the country not balance. So DJ, what's up, boss? How you doing, man? Nice one, man. I'm Mike and Mr. P don't know you. They say, oh, now borrow money. Alpha. But they affect everybody, I mean. See that useless boy, they talk about side chick and all those. My brother, no joke. You know, say, marriage, yeah? Marriage na court, oh. Now, when you marry, you go, nothing na court, now you enter. You know that when you are not married as a single guy, if you wake up by 1 a.m. Now, what's how they talk now and they discuss? Oh? Madam, your husband? Okay, they speak people mind. Oh, I'm speaking your mind, yeah? Oh, wow. Don't worry. Your boyfriend or your husband? Boyfriend. Do you check his phone? You check it, right? Continue to check it. Let all of us go through the problems. What happened to me last week will happen to everybody. Check on this night again. You know that when your wife wake you by 2 a.m., they come tell you, say, Peter, sit down. I need to talk to you. They give you shame, you slap for the middle of your parlor. You know say you don't die. Because that's how they show you the phone. They tell you, what is this? And they show you. I say, man, you know they wake up. Oh, you're going to clear. I say, what? If you wake up, coma. Women powerful. You know, say when you single, you feel wake up by 1 a.m. say, man, my enter Lekki. Try it when you marry. As you just wake up, say, I won't go Lekki around Farm City. The wife will say, okay, now my address, now all of us they go. They Chris. Women powerful. You know say woman, now go answer you question when go put you for problem. If you and your wife they watch movie, for the movie, oh, and all these Nigerian movies, then I go punish them. Oh. You do your own. They watch movie. For the movie, the man come they shit on his wife. Your wife go throw the question give you. But they go do like say not be you that they try and give you. They go say, now wow. With the beautiful wife and kids that he have at home, he's still going out to shit. My brother, when they talk like that, not put matter. If you put my madam, the way you shut it. If you put my, you don't die. Just like say you don't know what they happen. Women, powerful. Which day now my wife just wake up now? He say, honey, if me and you they waka, somebody, I can't find somebody trouble, they can't point me gun. What do you go do? I say, why would you go find person trouble when I get gone? Can't you find a normal human being's trouble? And no jokes. Nigeria is still the best country on the surface of the earth. But we were in UK, me and M.O.P and M.O.P, we go UK. When I saw the UK passport, I shocked. If you see what they write for the passport, the UK passport, you go shock. And that passport, anywhere you say, read them. Our Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and require that in the name of Her Majesty, all those who it may concern to allow to pass the bearer to pass freely. Now, if you hold the passport, any embassy when you did, you go waka pass. Nobody go stop you. I say, he said, without let or hindrances, nobody. And because and to afford the bearer such assistance and protection as may be necessary. Now, be say if you did the embassy or anywhere and you did stranded, you can walk to any of the immigration and say, "Give me £100." They will give you. Yeah. I don't say you never go. Don't worry. People when they go, they tell you. They will give you. This passport now when the queen did, when the king come enter, the same thing. Change your mind now. Sir, he said his Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and request. You know, everything the same. You don't see our Nigerian passport. I beg, give me the other mic. You don't see our Nigerian passport. When I get the other mic, Phonesies. Okay, who are you? Give me the other mic. Make more than see on our passport. Chill. Okay, who are you? Talk to me now. Person when don't travel, they talk to you. Can you behave yourself? Billionaire is talking to you. Come up here, man. Are you mad? Who are you? Take mic. Talk to me. I be cutting so you the crazy. Don't know where I come from. Nah joke. Who are you? Take. Read them for me. No, I want me to see something. No, now be the same. Okay, no, go school. Oh, sorry. Okay, you know someone big man there, but one person a driver. Sorry. No. My bad. Sorry, bruv. You good, bruv? Cool, bro. Fuck you. Baba. You there, Chris? Are they talk to people? They back. Okay, you want me to notice you? Oh, lamb. No, this one not be like who go school. Don't worry. No, Baba, wait. On the serious note, take. Read that. You don't feel to read. Take. Read that for me. Oh, lamb. Read. Oh, yeah. From the top. On a Nigerian passport. Yeah, from the top.
This passport remains.
No, from the top. Read me the year you wear.
Caution.
You the year on a Nigerian passport. Caution. They first threaten you. You see on a country. They threaten you. Caution. Put the UK on first. Put the UK on first. See what they're. His Britannic Majesty. You they say. Read on our own.
This.
From the top again.
Caution.
Threaten you. If you misbehave, they'll beat you. Continue.
This passport remains the property of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Pause. You say, passport when you use your money to, they tell you that federal government I get them. If you misbehave, bring her back. Continue.
And might be withdrawn at any time.
You dey hear her? Anytime you misbehave, bring our passport, submit them. You are mad. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way.
Wait. Then they perform. You wait.
Jesus.
Hey, quiet. Hello, continue your performance. Continue again. Fuck you. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way or allowed to pass into the possession of authorized person.
Is that finished?
If lost or destroyed, the fact.
Wait. Talk that place again.
If lost or destroyed.
You dey hear because they know say we get hot temper, we fit destroy them if you provoke. Continue. What did they worry this one? Are they work you they laugh? Are you mad? Am I playing here? Continue.
Alright, it said if lost or destroyed, the fact and circumstances should be immediately reported to the passport office, Abuja, or the arrest Nigeria.
What did they worry?
Baba, take your passport with only one visa. Uzbekistan.
M.O.P. Slip of Tougue.
To those of you who don't know me, they call me the most successful handicap. Where they cap. Now maybe the only comedian for the full Nigeria. Where one hand short, one long. See him by yourself. If you no clap for me, your hand go spoil. May God spoil something in your life. Clap for me or receive it. I greet all the chairmen. Odibola, I greet you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is DANNY SPRY and online cultist. And through WhatsApp group, I join with you, I join. Nigeria sweet, oh. Now for Lagos here, Timaya go do show. Timaya come dey sing, come ask the crowd, who can sing any of my song? Now somebody raise up hand. Now Akwa Ibom man, Timaya no. Akwa Ibom man sing Timaya. Timaya say if they no arrest him, he no perform. What do we hear? Me I know they do rock. Uno they pay yakaro. Me I know they do rock. Uno they pay yakaro. You don't want to walk, you want to fall. You don't want job, you want to fall. Everybody fall, come the other way. My brother, do rock. Even Timaya don't know say nice song. Brethren, Nigeria sweet. Now for Lagos here, I jam Curtis. Where they work like this. He leg no good. He jam me for backyard the shot. Oh boy, I go straighten you. He go be straighten me, now your leg bend. No, brethren, Nigeria is okay. No stress yourself. No stress yourself. Ma push it. Oh boy, see sexy. You don't see sexy handicap. With this one short hand, I may be breadwinner for my family. Imagine say the two hand long, no be bakery. Una go come clap, until I die, now I go rest. Brethren, I carry a pipe on girl for Lagos. Enter room. Now the guy ask me, say, brother, are you ready to fuck? If you are ready to fuck, lock the door and swallow the key. I said, how woman go ask this type of thing? Baba, now lock door, swallow key. I pipe on girl, hang leg for fan. Use one hand on fan. Fan the road, you get the road. The girl the road, fan the road. Me they give the girl different style. That's how they shout, baby, you are good. Baby sister. Baba, talk. Now five girl look me say, shut up! If you want fuck, you want talk. Why do you fuck and talk at the same time? Nobody can fuck and talk at the same time. More concentrate on one. Nobody tell me I concentrate on one. I say, I don't go bar where Akwa Ibom get the serve. I say, waitress, what do you have? Now Akwa Ibom get ask me, brother, what do you want to drink? I say, drink? That means the drink don't expire. I said, what do you have? Akwa Ibom get say, what do you want to drink? Now I say, tell me what you have. She say, we get him INEC. That's M.O.P. We get him Budweiser. We get Small Star. We get Leyen. We get Big Star. We get Hero. We get 33. Brother, I get one drink. Where Koro? I said, which drink did I say? We get him Star Rara. And I go come clap. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to end with this. Ladies, man, I take this, not be every time, man, carry you, come out. Man, leave you, go peace. Man, they go peace, so. Men, they go calculate B. I don't enter toilet. One man carry two girls, come out for Lagos here. For toilet, at the year when the man, as he look B, he shout, no. This is wrong. No. Brethren, I'm not say the man get gonorrhea. You know, as a man, if he treats staphylococcus 5 times, they can call you chief of staff. And I go come clap now. The man there, they shout, no. Brethren, now wait, me come out. I say come out. Now look. I say, okay, what happened? Now you show me bill. As I see the bill, 1 man, 2 girls, bill 840,000. Now me begin shout, no. Brethren. Now the man tell the waitress, analyze the bill. Now waitress, analyze bill. 2 Hennessy, he said, I can see it here. 15 fish, he said, I can see it here. 4 Jameson, he said, I can see it here. The one where shock all of us. Now when they say 400 water, the man don't know when he asks, anybody bath? No. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely night. My name is Danny Spry. God bless you.
M.O.P. Slip